Welcome back to the channel. You know, it's a boy ALTON Garden, and this is my little cousin Layla from the Wrong Foot Gang. You understand? She there, and we are cool out. So remember, if you tell them to do what? Subscribe. And if they not subscribe, what we are gonna do? Thump them? No violence, Layla. No violence. We not gonna thump them. But subscribe. Watch a movie. Tell them to watch a movie.
Watch a movie.
And if they not watch a movie, what go do?
Shoot.
No, we not shoot them, Layla.
Cut.
No, we not cut nobody. Come on, we're gonna watch a movie. Come on.
Driver, drop around a green lane scheme.
You say me not go on a scheme, you deaf?
What do you mean you say you're not going? I never asked you the first.
Right at destination, this up.
People, sir.
$400.
But up here we are pay you for go on there.
So me not go on at the scheme. The road them too bad round there. Right outside the destination.
You know about the money. Don't touch it.
Then I come out and carry the money.
Come take it. Come take it back. Think on it.
Go on with it now. Take it and do your ear.
What? Come take it. No, we are going to come in to walk, you know. We're not going to make a call. Stink, girl. But you have to get back my money for him. Where is he?
And we are call.
Girl, relax yourself now. Make a boy George.
Wait, what? Boy George drive car.
Boy George.
Hello.
Boy George. You can come for me and my sister with a big tree. Something go down with one, eat that dirty taxi man. Just come pick up and bring the 2 bikes to them. Alright, yeah man, where do you stand up? Hurry up. Yeah.
Girl, a bicycle boy George riding up.
You want to walk your foot? Walk your foot.
It better me not come in here.
So go on now. You complain about everything. You see the situation we in now? I rather the bicycle than walk.
You really
So if
have
you
a nerve to call the boy.
Girl, if you wait. If you want, go on. Oh. You're desperate, so you stand up still. Exactly, shut your mouth.
Yeah. Girl, me rather walk than drive on bicycle.
You complain about everything. If you want, go on now. You don't see rain come. Sure, stop being nice, man.
I'm here.
My next bicycle there.
It's not alright, good man.
Come here. And the rain now comes, so just come.
Come on, you sit down up so.
Come the girl.
Sit down way.
Up so.
No, me not sit down so.
Come, Tiffany, come from the back.
No man, rather walk. Me not sit down bicycle.
Girl, you come or not?
No.
Serena, come girl, come the man. Tiffany, come from the bicycle. So how happen?
You can't stand her.
So what happen? Me tell her what happen. In taxi man picture pro and he say not drop around no way. And we are pay with money pinja pro and he say not come on because round a steam get too. When you call it must be too bad.
So come now.
So come on the bicycle now.
I'm not coming on it. Somebody need to do something to the taxi man. They can't do thief.
Listen to me, come on. Come on. Sure. Yeah, Metro. Where that one?
I saw me there, man.
You know, so if you're a taxi man, though, you know no respect, though.
You mean by me now no respect? You don't know your brother.
I say deal with a passenger, them.
Which passenger?
Huh?
This passenger you talk.
Yo, the girl who around us named Tiffany, the little sexy one there, coming in a taxi. And I left them a road. I tell them, boy, now kill them on the scheme. Brother, and I beg them, you know. And their money them a pay. And I left them on the road. Suppose I left them on the road and now something happened to them. What did I tell me, say?
So how you coming in? How you come by to talk to me about that? You have family them?
I'm a good friend. I'm a good friend, them.
Yo, no, buy shocks for me car. And you must feel right for this. Yo, brother, move for yourself, man.
You don't know where I deal, don't it? You don't know which family me come from, don't it?
You know your brother.
Hey boy, I'm telling you, you don't know me, you know, I'm busting out where I come from. You know.
Brother, so where you feel take on that?
I'm telling you this, I'm not ramp with people, you know.
I never end in a violence like that.
Oh, you feel?
Where that man?
It's your mother, brother. Left Tiffany and his sister on the road. Left them out at boy now and go for the scheme.
And that's the Rasta. That mean I do nothing like that.
It's a taxi boy, brother. Yo.
That's a my car, this and that.
Nah, man. Yo. Remember, yo.
Yo, no, put on there, man. Yo, take
Yo.
your knife from the man, you. Brother, warn him, man. Warn him. Because people are giving him a going on. Take your knife from the man, you. Hold your hand.
Brother. Yeah,
Man. Relax, man. Yo.
I want to go on. No, man, give me. Yo.
Hold on, man.
Kill somebody, man.
Hold on, man.
Yeah, man, so give me. Yeah.
Nah, man.
You want to kill somebody? Oh, God, man. Come in, man. May I reason.
Yo.
Let's see the pan. I want to go on.
Brother, man, no, say me like Tiffany, you know, dog. Me and Tiffany, you know, they know, but me like Tiffany, you know, dog. And the man left Tiffany on the road, brother. Any man.
So,
Believe no, man. Yo. No.
Yo.
It's not the right way, yo. Believe.
yo, you're a good pitney in the father. Guess what we do? Jump on the bicycle, all our wash off. We are going to drink 2 room. And we are buy 2 more in the night.
No, so I don't want no word, man. Tiffany, me alone, me and me, man, brother. Yo,
So, man, I want woman you have.
Oh, yeah, me not have a woman, brother.
Oh, one woman you love.
Me like her, what she
You like her?
Me not tell you.
Come on. You just go and wash off and get yourself right. You put yourself in no problem. You are going to be in 2 room. And we are going always, you say, you have that one burner. But watch out, we just saw jinx room. Free your mind. Come on.
Do the right thing, man. Hey,
Go.
boy, make sure know what you do, you know.
Yo, that's not what man.
Yo.
No, man, that. I put it, man. Oh, like really early this time for the morning.
Man, the error, man, but don't know.
Thing good, man. Here, get time, here. We link up again, man. People argument, you all know a jump up for. Thing good, man. Next thing again, I already say again. You think over here. My car, I connect with you, bro.
Hey guys, come on over to Stay West. Remember, this and every Tuesday we have a sale on everything. Everything must go. 20% off on everything, guys. Come on over. Remember, this and every Tuesday we have a sale on everything. Everything must go. Come on over. Sale on everything. Appliances, clothing, and also footwear. This and every Tuesday. 20% off on everything and everything must go. Come on over. Stop wine for your friend and wine for me now.
Oh, this up.
Oh, go on.
Why you want brakes, man?
Why? Me need to buy one next bicycle, you know, brother. Because this one pop down for me.
No, man, I just brakes you want, man. I see a good bicycle like that.
Brother, right now, I want a car, more. I'm tired of the bicycle right now, brother.
Right now, me want next one to come in for you know.
Brother, so why not buy one car?
Car? You want a car, brother?
Brother, how much one of the wheel left?
12 grand. If you don't want a car, brother, because car draw too much attention, my youth. Not like too much attention.
They draw woman too.
Yeah, I'm telling you this, man. Car can't skate, you know. This can't skate. You hear me, I tell you?
Bro, I want a car I have to buy.
Right now, I don't want no iPhone, no woman, you know. I want woman, me have my iPhone, you know.
Who that?
Tiffany Campbell.
Brother, you're a child with Tiffany.
I mean, you see her in a Rasta here. My little empress that.
Brother, I know it's a long time you and Tiffany are friends, but to tell you the truth, you know, I never see you and Tiffany be more than a friend, you know.
Well,
So when you say you and her friend?
we're not there yet. But,
Yet. So, she like you too then?
well, we never really talk about it yet still, you know. We never really talk about it, you know, but one day she will understand, say, and see pre. She must see pre, brother.
Bro, let me tell you something. Right now, from how you attack, you look like you there in the friend zone.
Right.
And once you're in the friend zone, you're not come out, you know. Bro, where you wait for? She probably left for her man when she there with right now. So you can sneak in her bed one night. Brother, you can't be no say no boy for no girl as no friend, you know. We
Well-
tell you that, you know.
Yo, let go of that, you know, yeah, man. Because you're gone too far, you know, thing.
Brother, then type of girl that want princess treatment, we tell you that. They
So
don't
you
want
say-
no bicycle, man.
So you say you're not enter the bicycle show.
Brother, I can't enter it with this, right? No more want a better bicycle.
Just want to do yeah, man. Because you know, to talk about her, you know. Hold on for this, yeah. Because you must say you want to wash off a bicycle.
Oh, man. Yeah, so me I talk later, you know.
Do ya do, man. Just remember say if bicycle show come up, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I enter it.
Alright then.
So you can't talk to your sister.
I have to come outside and eat some cool berries. All this. Thanks. You're welcome. I know you love sweets. Anyways, I want to talk to you about something. What? Listen to me, I don't know how long I stay at the workplace, you know, because you see my boss, he might give me a headache, honestly.
How that?
No matter what I do, the man have a problem. No matter which customer I deal with, on a professional level, him still find fault. No matter how much money I bring come in this company, it seems like nothing I do he's pleased with.
So sis, you sure say and I problem coming on yesterday already, you know?
What is that?
You sure and I problem coming on yesterday already?
You know one thing I notice about you? You never dip on my side with no yet.
What coming on yesterday?
Girl! Makes sense me talking about this now. Everything good now. Everything good.
Sis, you know my name meaning I know we are. I just sometimes know how you stay. So that's why I suggest say, you know, that's the reason why you pass a class. Come on, you know.
Let me come on. Time you upset me. I don't like talking to you about nothing still, you know.
Well, me know sometimes you can behave with the man them more well, so that's what I'm telling you.
Yeah, I mean, sometimes I get upset, yeah, but I mean, it's a professional workspace, so I have to remain
But I
professional.
must something I do. I must something.
All right, we'll not go back this, I can't bother. Listen. I have something else I want to talk to you about, but you're so damn judgmental half of the time.
Me not judge you.
Me not
Me just being
start yet,
truthful.
me just I say. I have something else to tell you.
What you have to do?
I kind of,
Kind of.
me I double think it, you know.
Tell me no girl.
Fine. You know boy George, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so, you know whatever I want, he's always there for me. He always make time for me. And
Girl, get to the point.
he just a rush me so. What me I try to
Look at
say?
me eager for no.
Well, me just a say he's such a nice guy and it's not like say I see him with anybody. And I don't want to keep him in the friend zone for too long. I mean,
So I will help me. I want to take a next step in a.
what?
So I will help me. I want to take a next step with him. Attention.
That's basically what me I try to say.
Girl.
Is he not worth it?
No.
Wait, you see, you are a judgment.
That ride a bicycle, bro. Like, what you want to do with that? For him to even look like him have money.
That, his name is Boy George.
Well, I mean,
that's what
class
one.
him as that because I know nothing. Him is nobody.
You're too judgmental. You can't
I'm
look
not
down.
judge. I'm just being truthful.
You can't look down upon him because him ride a bicycle. You cannot do that. You
I'm
can't-
here related to that.
Yes. You cannot do that.
Girl,
You
girl.
cannot look down upon a person.
Girl,
Yes, and
yeah, my sister, me I look out for you, brother.
something wrong with you.
You want to do with that when I have no money?
Stop saying that. His name is Boy George.
Well, my class him as that, baby love. Me not take it back.
Girl, you can't do that. You can't judge someone based on their financial issues. And like me say, anything I want, him provided for me. So obviously.
Provide what for you?
Girl, 2 months from now, 3 months from now, you can be owning a car. What is wrong with
Which
you?
one in which car? Girl, come on. Because that and I'll go buy one car in 2 months. You go there walk foot with him all the day long in your life. I don't care.
Alright, have a great day. Hey. I'm fine. I'm fine.
Alright.
I'm okay.
So 8:30.
No. I've been moody, so I don't have much of an appetite.
Mm-hmm.
Just moody.
Why?
Having problem at work with my boss and my sister, she always have an attitude when you're talking to her. She not judgmental self. Just not having a good day, honestly.
Say your boss.
Hmm?
Your boss.
Certain things I'm gonna complain about, and some documents are being missing, and obviously I don't deal with that section, and I'm somewhat getting blamed. I don't deal with documents, and everything in finger point and point it right to me.
Mm.
So basically, him have me doing supervisor job, and I'm not even promoted. So anything that goes wrong, he blames me for it.
So, feel all of that the extra work, then I get extra money.
You get extra pay. That is the point as well.
Hi, about George, you want me? You good?
Yeah, man, I'm going easy, you know?
How when you come?
You know, so I'm just forward.
Just forward. See.
Hello. It's supposed to be nice.
Don't know what I'm being nice.
Tell him a long time you don't see him.
Oh, so, a long time I not see you.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Alright. Sorry, let me pass you.
So, you're not hurt.
Hmm?
She's not hurt.
She box around sometimes.
But anyways, if you make up your mind, you know, when I feel like you want to go, then just let me know here.
Yeah, I forgot we talk about that, right? Maybe later. The sun too hot.
Chana, come on, if you go, man. Come watch some of my edge off. Cool on yourself.
Well, doesn't sound bad at all.
Well, change on from up there, so.
Alright. Oh God. Is it alright?
You put on weight though.
You know, right? I like when I said that. Wow.
Alright, so.
What?
You alright?
I'm okay.
Yeah?
Yes, I just want to reach and get in the water and enjoy myself.
Alright, so we're so going that one.
Cool off, you know, time hot. Hey, the place pretty.
Yeah.
Oh my God, the animals.
Very pretty.
I need a land.
Remind me of someone.
Ooh,
You.
me? Thank you. My,
Oh!
don't splash me now.
No, I won't splash you like this.
I'd have to buy a land around here.
One piece of land.
Right around here, so nowhere else.
Alright, so man, you get it, man. One day.
One day? That sounds too far. Sounds way too far.
I think we should do this more often, you know.
Yeah, I like it. It helps to clear my mind. So we're gonna get fish afterwards?
Want fish?
Yeah, I want fish.
What do you want? To steam or fry?
I love steamed fish. I don't like fried fish and I don't know why.
Yeah.
Maybe because I don't like the oil.
As I said, don't worry about the boss and them sitting here. I'm not stressed.
It is what it is. It done happen already.
Tell me something like that Pin Hill there, see?
That one right there.
Yeah. One
It's
at
my
time,
favorite, you know?
we can go up there, go do a picnic one at a time, you know.
So far.
What do
How
you
we
mean?
gonna get up there anyway?
We don't ride, go close up there and then climb the hill.
Well,
Me and you alone.
you just pick a day and we do it.
Bro, the rocky man, me don't know why them.
No,
Yo.
down.
My papa says a very strong hold.
We're here. Let's enjoy the moment.
Glad that we alone there. But in a day we do it today.
To ourselves.
Ooh.
Careful.
Oh, no wasting the funny, you know.
Jesus. Yes. At last, river. Nice and clean today, man.
Yeah.
You brought your shorts?
Yeah, but I'm not sure I can.
Okay.
Can't swim, you know.
Okay.
Okay, I look for myself.
No, we can't look. So you're going to just put on back that top?
Yeah.
Alright. Can't tell say it cold already.
Eh?
Can't tell say the water cold already. Never prepare feet mentally. Woo!
You look cold, man, for sure.
But I want to say something. You know?
What's that?
Well, this whole time so far, you're the only person I've ever met in my life. But I don't know, you just treat me so well. You treat me like I'm fragile and like I'm a cup of hot tea. So you've been there for me throughout it all, and honestly, I appreciate it. I appreciate you as a matter of fact.
Like, come on, must say a long time I ain't a friend, you know. I know from the first time I start tech, man. I know.
I have to say like that.
Well, that man should say a long time, you know.
I know, but not every friend will go the way that often. So I just said I appreciate you, and I think you deserve a good woman in your life. One will treat you just the same as how you will treat her.
Why, Tiffany, I trade even know the amount of love of me I feel. The love of me I feel different if we unmatch. Isn't it? But yeah, that's where you go still. Hopefully one day you can find somebody at least a little bit like you. I like how you stay.
Well, I hope so too.
But never they have to come waste some time now. Swim ready for swimming.
Well, I'm up for it. Let's go. Anyway, You're so extra. Come let me see you die. It's not that cold. Alright, it is cold. Alright. Sorry.
Never believed in love at first sight, but then you went and caught my eye, and I knew right then this was the first night of the rest of my life. I was never really brave back then, but I'm glad I went and took my chance, and I see right now that was the first night of the rest of my life. And now I realize I was always supposed to find you. And now I realize it was always supposed to be. It was always supposed to be. I was always supposed to find you. It was always supposed to be. I was always supposed to find you. I was never brave back then, and I'm glad I went and took my chance, and I see right now this was the first night of the rest of my life. And now I realize I was always supposed to find you. And now I realize it was always supposed to be. It was always supposed to be. I was always supposed to find you. It was always supposed to be. I was always supposed to find you.
Cham. Today. No later than today. What going for my money?
You know, say I bring my baby girl children's we are town yesterday, and me have to use the money. I have it for gear, you know, I have it for gear, but I did have to use it.
Cham, every day is something else with your girl.
But Tiffany, imagine, you know, I have three picnic, three of them father gone left me, and you don't have no sympathy for me.
Girl, but me have bills to pay. When me go get my money, I have bills too, you know.
Saturday, Tiffany, Saturday.
Cham, make sure I check your Saturday, I get my money, you know.
Tiffany, me ever tell you say me I go give you the money a specific day and I give you? Tiffany, I go get your money, girl. Where you going, sir?
All my money Saturday morning.
Which Saturday? Which the girl need her money right now. Me now know it's that the girl have bills to pay.
Then at which door she walk through? But not even sister she there, so.
Girl, I'm a sister, I'm come for defend it.
Oh, you're reaching at this.
She need her money right now. You hear what they say, she have
So I borrow money from you.
She have bills to pay.
I borrow
She
money
have
from
bills to
you.
pay.
You don't come here, so
She have
out
bills
of
to
me.
pay.
You don't come here, so
Listen to me.
You don't come here.
Give me sister money as a
You don't come here for that. I want you, man.
girl. Right now you're too soft, brother.
You have to stop.
You're not sit up and I use you.
Everything you want fight. All that I help me get by my money.
You go there to take your money. Every single excuse you come up with, every single time you go look for your money. What I said to you?
See, you know me, I'm not the violent type anyways. I understand, so she go through her problems, so I go through my
Go through
problems
them.
too, you know.
I be a party, my take with the money. He might take you go spend a party.
I get you, but what I'm saying, if me beat her in the yard, I'm still not get my money now. But we're going to beat her to death.
You better we do that too. Because if you don't do something, you're not going to get the money.
If push come to shove, then I have to go bring her to the police. I have to go
You got to
report
wish
it to the
police.
police. I have to go report it to the police then. But it don't make sense where I wire for the money now.
Girl, if you don't want her free money, we expect you to take advantage of you every single time. People gonna walk all over you like you're a doormat.
Like me say, if Saturday come and I don't get my money, I can easily report her.
Report her.
But we're going to beat her to death for the
You
money,
better
girl.
with that.
I can't, but you stress me out. I'm there stress over my money, girl.
Girl,
need
if
to
I were
go
you,
on-
I would do something immediately.
I need to go on the road. I can't stand up here and talk about this the whole day. Sun hot. Me I go away and come back. Cool? We'll see you when I come back.
Alright, I'm going to go link somebody.
Whatever.
One boy, George.
So you're frightened myself.
Sorry, I come unexpected, but I have something to tell you.
I'm here.
You know, so me and Tiffany go on a little girl named Sham because she owe her money. And the girl who depend one bag of cent about how in their partner for pay off and all them same thing there. And this guess about how he give back the girl the money Saturday. And you know what worst thing about it? Tiffany don't realize that girl a user. A user, you know.
So me no say charm and man they make her buy me much NSC and something.
A good ask for Tiffany money ma take a that. Because I make up one bag of cent about how in her pitney for this and her pitney for mine and something there. Me have to when the girl say about how at this Saturday till Tiffany getting money, I have to jump in and say which Saturday? Tiffany have bills to pay. No. No. This a girl that want to come real up on me about who calling an argument and all of them sitting there. I want dash dirty water upon me. Me say one piece of something about to fight in our yard. A Tiffany there for jam away. Something need to be done because that woman there take Tiffany for idiot. She a user, so something need to be done. Something serious when you put her in her place, when you teach her one lesson. Yes, them I say.
Alright, so with Tiffany then?
But if she gone a serve.
One are gone.
She alone. She too soft, man. Something need to be done.
Alright, look what going on before it rain now, man.
Alright.
I don't want the rain catch around here, you know, and I mean want the road now.
Alright then.
Just keep on dirty.
Yo, Sean.
Well, go on, boy, George, and how long more I see you? You can't move out them there to the yard for me. How much you feel it?
Yeah, me I tell you, sir. Me I don't know, come around and not send out boy. No. Yeah.
And when you get so hot, boy, George?
Yeah, me I tell you, sir. Tiffany money me come about, you know.
So much people have come to me about Tiffany money. Uno and Tiffany come take it.
Yeah, me I say. It's when you come to Tiffany and run no joke.
Boy, George.
Yeah, me.
Why George you not fear beef so boy George and show me
Yeah,
boy
man.
George.
Yeah, man. Say, don't run no joke with me, you know.
Boy George, if I didn't know serious, but I just give the money easy, no man.
Go for your money, come give me. No. I don't run no joke with me. I'm to you. People ain't on their money. Look how long you can do wig and then a maker.
boy George.
Give me this. Hear me I tell you, sir. This when you see Tiffany. So when you see her on the right,
Yes.
you take it left.
Miss Tiffany.
You hear me, sir? No, no, no joke. No, me have to come back round here again, you know.
No joke with Tiffany. You not come back.
Oh, you can't answer this and next year.
Right, Mr. Boy George. Take care, yeah? And you love Tiffany for me. And I'm pretty sister.
Telephone.
Yeah.
Tiffany, come back here.
No, sir.
Yeah, I'm getting money from the girl now.
For real?
See that.
So I wait to forget it because I'll meet did I get up myself, you know. She want to come me too, so how you get the money? How you get the money?
Oh man, everything good man. Make sure you grow on it and make sure you know say yo. You see me? Don't ramp with Tiffany money.
Boy Georgie.
I tell you the truth, I'm for growing to go do. Me not do her nothing.
Well, good job.
You see me, I know me not little man, you know. I want to do something.
Big up yourself, man. She too bright.
Make sure you say you get Tiffany money, man.
Me I'll give her it, man.
Princess. Look
Boy
for me.
Georgie, me I'll give her it.
I'm your sister, but me know where you stay, you know.
Me I'll give her it.
Princess, just don't even make sure you know say me get. Just tell her say girl, bring him money, come get her, is it?
Yeah, man, no problem.
Alright. Hey, your cousin over here so saying like you know.
For your cousin? For your black cousin? No, baby love. Him way out of my league. Me can't do it community, man. Sorry about that.
The man, see man have been carrying and having business going.
Me want to say that. Because, no, Sorry, but
Alright, look at more. Just make me forget Tiffany money.
yeah, man.
I figured say around here say it, you know.
What's your?
Me look for you in the house and can't find you.
You come back.
Tired? So hot.
But can't see it, man.
So I'll do later.
You know something now? But me I said for sure, though.
How about that? What is what?
Girl, a champ come give me it.
I don't believe that. Oh, Champ for just come give you money, son. Champ just want beat off your ass a while ago.
Girl, listen me, girl. She come to me and she come back and apologize and give me money for you.
I don't believe that. What you do and who you get for go to Charm? I don't believe that.
Relax, now,
Charm is a tegereg.
Listen to me. You girl say you realize your mistake and you can apologize to me and you can give me the money for gear.
Well, 55,000.
Yes.
Charm gear.
Yes.
I don't believe that. But give me the money. I'll find out for myself. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You do something.
Girl.
You do something. I can't point my finger upon it. What you do? But you do something.
How me for the certain thing? Girl, listen to me. No worry about that. Even if me did do something, you must be grateful so you get back your money.
True. Thank you. Thank you.
You are
I'm
welcome.
just saying.
And look here, make sure you not worry about no more money.
Me
Matter
dear.
nobody has no money.
Me dear, not a soul I get the money from me.
Yeah, make sure.
Anyways, hurry up and come now.
Princess. Morning.
Morning.
Tiffany there, you know the boat.
You know the wrong company road that's have? What happened?
She gone herself.
Yes.
1 hour gone.
Is she alone gone? Why? What happened?
Come for check her still, me just see me. When I had me there, I said me I come. Give her a link. You know she want to go river in idea.
Oh well, you should have called her first before you come because she can't find the road. So, you come at the wrong time.
Wrong time.
Yes. You know some of my feelings say, you like my sister? Yeah, me feel I like her.
What make you then say that?
Because me see how you look on her.
No man, my sister a good friend man. Just good friend.
I'm here to tell that, come on, me see where you look on her.
So when me look on her, bad?
No, you look on her like, you know when somebody have a massive crush on somebody? Yeah.
No, sir.
Tell me the truth, you know like my sister?
No, I don't like her. I'm a friend. I'm watching her. She like my sister. She like my sister.
Well, my feelings say I like her, and to be honest, my sister's the type of person, you know. No one do it, you know. Well, bicycle man. No offense still, you know. You see what I say? Yeah. My sister like money man. Man will drive the car.
God no. They kind of mash up my meds right now.
Me not mean it no bad way, no. Me not mean it no bad way, more like tell you.
It's okay.
Yeah, sure. Because I'm say you don't like my sister. Me not mean it no offensive way, because she say you don't like her, you like her as a friend. You know what I say?
When she come, just tell her, say, but you can look for her.
Alright then, no problem.
Alright?
You make sure know, man.
Alright.
I want to show you a free though. I don't want to be judgmental. And I don't know if I'm alone see it, but you say, why judge? Why? I'm going to show you a free. But you see, my sister's a very manipulative girl. And why judge really like her? Like, my sister you really like my sister. Is that what I'm saying? But my sister, you see too how you wear how me know my sister. My sister, I use him. I not really like him if I know them with it.
Me can't really say me still free, but me see them together a lot recently. But why is sister would have manipulate boy George and him as good youth?
That man want know too. I mean, I'm not the first man I see she deal with the way they. So, to show me say boy George, him is a good youth, yeah, but to where I see my sister deal with man, him not deserve boy George.
Why do you think your sister manipulates you?
Because I see where how she controlling other man too.
Control him?
Yes, she have him wrapped around her fingers like a one piece of cloth. Like, you know see too?
But you know as a boy George stay with everybody.
Me know say that's what I say he's a good guy. My sister not deserve them kind of guy there.
She not deserve him?
Yes.
She not deserve him?
Yes, she don't, because look on him.
Princess, why me feel like you like him?
Me? No, girl. First of all, boy George ride bicycle, and me don't do with bicycle man.
So all right good will come with boy George. He look a bicycle when you ride, make you can't like him?
Yes. Baby love, me have it in a car, cock up my foot on dashboard.
Princess.
You deal with them something there.
Stop. We're a friend, I'm really not like how that sound. It sound like, yes, your sister not deserve one good man. I understand the manipulation part, you know, because you've been a tell me. But like, it sound one way. Yes, your sister not deserve boy George because he's a good youth.
Deserve which? Jay, you're supposed to live on my side, you know.
But yeah, try to talk to me and give my honest opinion. Alright, listen. Talk to boy George then and get your opinion on the fact say you think say him sister might have used him.
Me already tell boy George say my sister is not the kind of person who live on bicycle.
Just see how far you gone? You're gone far because
Him come to me and me decide to tell him the truth.
what him say?
Him say, alright, the first thing when him come up in a yard, he tell me say, he ask me say, where Tiffany there? Me tell me say Tiffany gone pan his palm. Herself. Him come tell us about how me no know maybe in the Wanga River or something like that. And me say, well, maybe I should call her first because she's not here at the moment. And when he board to go away, me tell him say, look here, wait, may I have a reason. Friend, isn't me? Me tell him say straight and plain say, my sister don't like you.
So Princess, your sister tell you that?
No, but me know my sister. Me know her for fuck.
Why me feel like you're being mischievous?
Which mischievous, but I truth, Jay.
Alright, listen, out of all I story them you tell me about your sister and man, this is nothing close to it. Just you don't sound like your sister and manipulate boy George. It sound like you like him. You like
No, girl, don't do that. Me don't like boy George.
You like him.
Me look at Jay, me are friend for 5 years now. You feel like me not like somebody like that?
Why your sister can't like him?
No, because me know how she stay. You know, I think say that really helped me this year, but it turns out it's like help my sister. So I say, you know, is it this year I leave because I'm not going to spend with you.
Wait. Don't tell me say you're upset.
Of course, because I come to sit down with her, right? I reason with her about this. And I think about it actually on my side.
But you don't want me to tell her the truth.
Which I am telling the truth. Like, literally, I know my sister. You don't know how good like how me know her. Is that my sister? I don't understand why you're the on fear side and you want to take me aside. I mean, you're your best friend, you know?
Go take the sleep and sleep on it and think about it, auntie.
Oh, well, me whole. I'm not taking it back. Sorry.
You can't really upset you.
Look like I have family over there.
Say nothing no man to me about it.
If you tell her the truth, I don't see no man come to Tiffany. Me and her neighbor, I don't see no man come to her.
You can't tell me, you know, man, I don't know watch front business, you know. Because when you're a friend, you know, man, you can't tell me, man.
Brother, even me see no man to tell her the truth. If me see one man, I never want to hurt her feelings. But to tell her the truth, me don't see no man come to her. Brother, to tell her the truth, me hardly look over them. But to tell her the truth, when I do see her or her sister, I do not see no man come to them. To tell her the truth, most of the time, Princess stay in her house whole day, Tiffany always go to work.
But I'm telling her, I say, man, I like her. I have a little family with her. You know,
She's a nice girl, bro, but I tell her, I already say, yo, you just leave Tiffany alone. She out of your lead. She obviously, you don't look like she want no man. Because if you are her best friend and you push no argument to her and she don't pay no mind, obviously she don't want no man. You push argument to her, by the way?
Yeah, I mean, I just run like a joke with her and tell her something like her, yes, but...
Why are you doing her friends with her? If you finally tell her the truth and ask her if she would deal with you.
So you like one?
I'm just go and relax, but yo, tell her the truth now. The bicycle, no go on good, so I want to borrow one of your bicycle them because I know it's enough for them here.
Yeah, man.
As more probably say I can go and get a drink or something.
Alright, no problem, man. Just link me around here there when you're ready. I'll go up a river here, so we'll see if I can find out.
Yeah, and you say man say you want Tiffany.
Well, I don't know anything set in that, dog. I don't know anything set. That's me, but me mind about to tell nobody then.
Alright, yo, if anything come on.
Yeah, if you see nobody, you tell me.
Man, I don't watch, man.
Good day.
Yes, man. How may I help you?
Yes, I need assistance with something. Where is Tiffany?
Oh, Tiffany. Oh, may I ask who's asking?
Her sister.
Oh, okay. You're her sister. Okay. Tiffany is out for lunch. Yeah, she gone for lunch.
She gone for lunch? Okay. When will she be back?
After lunch.
After lunch?
Mm.
May I ask you a question, sir? Who is Raja?
Oh, I am Raja. Why you ask?
You are Raja?
Why you ask?
Because me here say I texted for my sister.
Me I texted for your sister?
Yes, you same one. I want to know this so we not come from now my family here, so can me come and come bond with all of this?
Hold up. Look, miss, let me tell you something. It's your sister and I don't know if you know your sister good. your sister is a little troublemaker.
How
and
that,
she,
sir?
and she and nobody here can agree. And it's only reason why she there so long is because we make money. She's a good sales rep. But the only reason why she's still here is because she is a good sales rep. But apart from that, she's a little troublemaker. She live on chalk line. And I see why she stays so, because she also on the family stay.
Oh, well, me here say I take set panar.
Listen, look at miss. Please take yourself and leave.
I don't care what you want to say, but all I have to tell you say is, if I continue to accept panar, the whole of this I will go on dirt. Let me tell you
Miss,
that.
let me tell you, I don't want to have
Me
to
don't
call-
want hear. Me don't want hear.
Okay, I don't want to have to call security.
Oh.
Please leave.
Oh, okay, no problem. Remember me one day now. Remember me one now.
All right. Yes, good afternoon.
Afternoon, sir.
How was lunch?
It was alright.
I don't want to seem like I'm a mean person or anything, you know. But let me be quite frank and try to be as clear as possible.
Okay.
This is your last lunch.
What?
Yes, I'm going to have to let you go.
Mr. Raja, what are you talking about?
I don't need to go into details, you know, but I'm going to tell you this. I don't want to to be here one of these days and get burned up in a store. So here we go.
I don't understand what you're talking about.
Listen,
Burn up on the store, I don't understand. I get fired for what? What me do? What me do now? What me do?
you've been a troublemaker, you know, and I work with you regardless because you make the company make money. But to be honest, you are a liability, and today I see it clear as day. I have to let you go.
I tell you, man, I tell you. All the time, I still not understand what I do. I've been here from morning, everything good. Now I'm getting let go for no reason. You can't explain.
I don't want to go into details, and it's my establishment, so I can hire who I want to hire and fire who I want
You
to
can't
fire.
just fire people just so. All right, let me get my money.
No, that will send to your account on
Mr.
that specific
Money,
payday.
please.
Oh, I don't have to call the security. You know.
You can't find me just some more money. Nah, leave it over money.
Calm down.
I mean, take it first.
Listen, I know you are one of them bad women and your family bad, and I don't want to have to call Biggs. Because you know if Biggs come, it's going to be an embarrassment, you know, and they will hold your finger across the wall out there. So please, may I ask you to be calm and be a nice person and accept your little dividends in your account. I'll send it to your account. And a matter of fact, I don't even wait till pay time. I'll send it before. Please see if you can make your way out. Thank you very much.
No worry yourself. You soon get for your fire. If I never want to take my mama shop in this yard.
I don't want to send you to prison.
You lucky man.
How that? We calm down. What happened?
I have no idea. I came off my lunch break and he told me to clear my desk.
Then I must have made to make you fire you.
This something I was there at work this morning. I passed him and I said good morning. I literally passed him and said good morning. I did my work. I went on my lunch break. I came off my lunch break and he came to me and said clear your desk. So I said, what is the problem, sir? Not even 2 more words he said to me. He took off.
We have to save yourself over Rajafa. You don't have to keep one work, you can go look on different work.
You know, so we have bills to pay, right?
Yes, so go and go look on different work.
And it's that easy. You're acting like I'm going to get a job tomorrow just so.
Well, girl, sending a resume application, it's not hard than that. So.
Upset me.
Listen to me. Raja, him lucky. You hear me? I say him lucky. Girl, stop stress yourself. Raja, we get to him I look for. You hear me? I say, if I not, me go look at work fit to help pay the bills. You want something to eat or anything?
I'm okay.
You sure about that? Because maybe you're tired and know you come in, you're frustrated and you're angry.
Fine.
You sure?
I'm fine. Just orange juice or something.
You sure?
Yeah,
Alright.
just get me something to drink.
Tiffany. Tiffany.
She in a bathroom, a bed.
She in the bathroom?
Yes, a bed.
Oh, because I said go up there so if you pick her up a while ago, I don't see her.
Well, she in a bathroom, a bed at the moment. You didn't know say her boss fire?
What do you mean fire?
Fire, me don't know what she do make her boss fire. Because she come in angry. And I kill up herself and she did sound really upset. So me what happened to?
I don't like your boss licking the car.
Well, me don't know of that, you know. Me don't know of that. But she come in and I talked to me about how she said she did the for lunch break. And when she did for lunch break and after lunch they just tell her to clean up her desk. And she did wonder what happened. So me don't know what happened either. She never tell her?
No, she only tell me if I come for her, but when I go there, I don't see her.
Well, she come in early today and she nice, she right now a bed. Boy, George. Actually, me a woman, I don't know about you, okay? So if me never be a woman, the man that would have dead long time, you know?
You know, you get yourself.
Because me don't know why him fire my sister over that. That don't make no sense. Is what me I say. But I'm still there wonder still if you could have talked to her. You know, talk to her boss for me. I don't know why we do that.
Bro, let's see what I can do.
You sure?
Yeah, man. Let's see what I can do. You still have somebody come look for her, yeah?
Yeah, man, if you do for me. Is what I say? Go to our boss and try convince him to give up my sister a job. Okay, so if him don't give her it back, something bad will happen to him. Is what I say? So make sure I convince him so if he give her back my sister a person because she never do nothing, he should get fired.
Alright, no worries, so. Let's see what I can do, yeah?
Yeah, make sure you're angry to me, you know.
Yeah, man, let's see what I can do, man.
Alright.
Bless up my boss. You know, the store, I didn't want to get to,
No, man, store lock you know, man, so you go come back tomorrow.
is a PlayStation 5, I didn't want.
No, man, you come too late. You have to come back one next day when the store open.
Too late.
Yeah, man, too late, man.
Are you wanna?
Yeah, man, what happened?
Let me tell you this. You see? You see Tiffany? When you get her back already. Yeah?
I see, I don't know who you be, you know. Or real reason why you come to me. But
Tiffany now work back at the store.
Me hear say Tiffany down here and true you can't get her in man, you want to fire her, you know. I'm tell you this. Never run no joke with Tiffany, you know.
Listen, me tell you something. If you don't feel like someone can intimidate me, me a wrong person. You and Tiffany on the way. Now I have back Tiffany.
Alright, so we need to hurry up and get there before 4:30.
Yeah, right.
Hello there. Good afternoon.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi, officer.
Who is Tiffany?
That would be me.
Okay, I'd like to speak to you.
Okay.
Are you aware why I'm here?
I have no idea.
For me, you should pay that.
Oh.
But I'm doing an investigation in regards to your former boss.
Okay.
I was told you were fired.
Actually, yes, he fired me.
Okay, are you aware of what happened to him?
No.
No. Okay. So, that is why we're doing an investigation right now.
Okay.
Can you recall where you were on... Alright, so Tiffany, where were you Friday night? At about 8 p.m.
Friday night I was at home.
You were at home?
Mm-hmm.
And you were at home with who?
Oh, that would be my sister.
Could you step down, please? So where were you on Friday night?
I was at home.
Okay, so you both were at home, right?
Yes, sir.
And where were you before that?
Before that, I think he fired me that same day.
So you were at work, and then he fired you,
I came home.
and then you came home.
My sister was at home, so I joined her.
What time did you do work?
I think it happened around after 2, a little bit after lunchtime.
A little bit after lunchtime.
Around 2 o'clock, 2:15 around that time.
And were you at 2:15?
I was at home
So you were at home all day,
all day.
and you came home to her.
I came home and joined her. Yeah.
Okay. So you were not aware of anything that happened, right?
No, that's what I keep telling you. Like, what happened?
Alright, so since you're not aware of the situation, your boss was murdered.
Wait, what?
Excuse me.
He was murdered
That's right.
at the company.
I cannot say exactly, but you are a person of interest in the case because you were fired on the same day.
Yeah, but that doesn't say.
That doesn't say.
Say because he fired me, I'm the one who did it.
I did not say you did it. But I'm just making you aware that you're a person of interest, and I will advise you to come down to the station, preferably with a lawyer, and come and give a statement.
Officer, I did not know this man died, and nobody said it to me. So, what time did he die? I'm asking you because nobody no updated me.
Tiffany.
Nobody updated me that he died.
Tiffany, I am just giving you some good advice.
I understand, but
So,
but
Tiffany, I'm going to tell you again. I think you should come in and give a statement, preferably in the presence of your lawyer, just in case, right? And I would advise that you stay around
I wouldn't go anywhere.
because we don't want it to become a person of interest and we're out looking for you, right? The same thing will go for your sister, since she is your alibi. I would suggest you do the same thing. Come down to the station as well.
No? Like, no.
No would be good.
And I look at
Alright?
this. Can you imagine? Officer, give me a minute, okay?
No problem.
I tell you, no man, crosses ever find me.
Tiffany,
I don't want to talk to you right now.
I'm there. I'm sorry.
I don't know station where I come from. Couldn't someone where I come ask the question because somebody kill our boss.
So they know how to do it.
No, them I try to find out. That's why I come ask Stephanie question, and then I come. I want to ask you one question. I know you do it.
Me?
Remember, somebody talk to you if you deal with something for me, you know.
Listen to me.
Be honest with me. I know you do it.
Me don't know nothing about it. Me wanna go down there.
Then how comes he dead?
Me don't know. I'm not go down there. Never did it.
Listen to me. I know you love my sister, you know. I know you will do anything for her. You sure now you kill him, man?
No, I never kill somebody. Me, if I prison you, man.
Why you hard to believe you, I swear.
This princess. Look, man. Why judge my name? You not believe me? Eh?
Me want to believe you, but me can't believe you. Remember, say you me tell to deal with something, you know. So who would I want to kill him?
Listen. You don't know what kind of bandolo thing he boss himself, you know. I don't know. Anybody can kill him. Remember, you know, he's a shop owner. I can't extortion him. Do. Them run for him program.
Well, if you say I know you, I know you. But you have to go at least talk to Tiffany. You see what I say? You have to go at least go and go talk to her because right now she upset and people want to talk to you. You see what I say?
Alright, what's all I can do?
Alright, make sure you know.
Listen, don't say this to nobody, you know. Just leave it alone.
Yeah, man, that good.
Tiffany,
George?
what's going on? Talk to me, what's going on?
Give me some space now, please. Give me some space. Ease up.
Tiffany, oh, you can't talk to me, you know. Who trouble you?
But you don't trouble me.
So, why police must say?
So I just came in from the police station. And they have me as maybe the number one suspect. I guess I'm the number one suspect. But me, just because he fired me, I mean, yes, I was upset and I kind of went off on him. If anybody would, because look at it, I came work good. Little after lunchtime, I came in, he ran a little joke with me, and then he fired me just like that. All me asked the man, why you fire me? I'm gonna get no logic reason. And then he uttered something out of his mouth, no, him not wanting place burned down like.
Princess, for you come in and say nothing at all to me, over this to look like your world collapse. What is the matter?
You know what I said, OJ? I wonder if I actually why George kill.
Kill who?
Kill my sister boss.
Eh?
Girl, I wonder if I actually why Georgie kill my sister boss.
What you talking about? Who did?
My sister boss, girl. I wonder if I actually why Georgie do it.
Why George not kill nobody? Why you would have think that?
me believe you. I know you don't have nothing to do with this. I can't swear upon my life with that. With you, when it comes to you, I can't swear. You see me? But the police them not do a good job. Remember, you know, how them for charge of for the man who own one store murder? How can anybody kill him?
Because police come on my yard and I question Tiffany and I ask her if she kill her boss. I mean, know she would do something like that.
But how Tiffany was suspect?
Remember say her boss firing her so maybe they think she do it. But me know my sister would do like that.
So how boy George get involved?
That's what I've been saying. It cannot be. Look, he owns multiple business, and he not really get along with people like that. You know, so it could be anybody. Look, only come me. We can't manage that.
Tiffany, look, don't bother worry yourself. 2 weeks time, them forget about this. Them have no evidence against you.
But the camera shows them argue with him.
But then
over the stuff. So
freedom of speech, Tiffany. Freedom of speech, or free to say anything.
my aunt or him.
I should have dashed some water upon him at the time.
George.
Me never mean fi actually kill him in a girl. Me all tell him to convince him to give her about the position. Me never mean like, you know what I mean?
So you convinced boy George to kill his sister boss?
No, me just
What you say?
me just simply tell myself to go confront him, like as in talk to him for her and encourage him to give her about the position. Me not mean like to go kill him or nothing. So me I wonder if actually that happen.
You don't need to panic. I'm not think boy George a kill nobody.
Oh, you know that? Look how boy George love this. We jump over moon for her. Imagine go kill somebody for her. Come on now.
Jesus, what kind of problem this you can't get to yourself, you know?
I don't know. I swear. Me don't know how it come down to like this.
You know, make this situation any better, you know.
Come on, but we know why you did. We know why you did suck up yourself, someone. Come on, man. Nobody suck up yourself, someone. Look at you, you know. The police them just do their work. Them free if you ask anything. Them just a protocol.
They sure just scared them and scare me because honestly I'm scared. If I that them I try to I'm scared.
Did you do it? So what you worry about? What you worry about? Stop worrying yourself, man. You worry about.
You know, so the people that at that workplace don't like me because of me bringing most of the income. So everybody have something bad to say about me.
A long time if you left on that place.
Hold on, calm down. There is no need for panic because one, boy George is not going to kill anybody, and two, your sister not going to do anything like that. Who knows if the boss for a couple other people and him take it upon himself to go kill you?
I don't know that. But me know if you're certain say boy George you have to do it.
Just stop us. Cease from saying that. You say you come to me and panic and I tell me all of this. You can't say this to nobody else, you know. Listen to me. You hear what I say?
You're not glad saying that? Even though I know it's sad.
I'm karma to you know.
That want to see you, man. Want to see you happy. Want to see you happy, man.
Was lost and it's not say sickness killing you know. So we kind of not like the way I'm going. But still, probably saw the right
if I did me, man, me killing myself too, man. Actually, man,
You're supposed to think that about people. You leave it up to God.
You understand what I say?
Me understand what you say, Jay, but right now me a panic because me wonder if me will get involved.
Yeah, man, I this is gonna get you out of jail. Me say for calm down.
That kind of make me feel better.
I like that.
Sure.
So yeah, though.
But what am I supposed to do? I feel depressed. Like, I just want to go and lay down. Just show up, lay down, and get this off of me, honestly. Just want to go show off.
Without me?
Sure, man, you play too much, man. Want you? You gonna wait for me till I finish shower, or you gonna go and come?
Alright,
So wait, where did actually come about? In the first place?
You know what I'm I think we did call Lancaster when if we wrong gone. Just go check it.
On a river today, on a river day. I just want to shower, maybe drink some wine, watch a movie, or something. It's not river day today.
So yeah, make you go to the center.
What about?
The community center. Remember them on Thursday them have a regular meeting and so.
George, I don't want to be around people today. I just want to go and clear my shit.
That with the work thing, you know, man. You just take your friend away from the community center. It's like, I must say, that's how we grew up, you know. You can't live it.
Tomorrow, we'll do that, okay?
Alright.
Give me some time. You're going to come and carry away from me for sure.
Alright, I'll go.
Alright, later.
Alright.
Sure, no, don't show me.
No, stop your foolish, man. Sure, man, I want you, George.
Telephone.
Oh, I'm there. I'm going it.
But you know, sir, out of shop me I go. But yo, man, thank you for your bicycle, you know, cause you know, say me go down to QK and me carry down one girl come up here.
Eh? I mean, man.
Look good, man. But girl thick, you know, man. But you know, say me have to buy back one new wheel, cause the wheel she heavy. I have to buy a new wheel for your bicycle. But thanks seats too. So
I can bust out the upper in a brake, man.
I know it come like it never even worth it, but where the fun?
Boy, you know, send me there, dog, but I want to pray me to come for sure still.
Well,
but dog, I have a promise enough to tell nobody in the dog. Got serious in.
I remember saying, you know, for your mother, a for me, auntie, you know. So me I have first, cause you know, say you have to worry yourself.
You know what going? You know, say Tiffany, boss, fire. I'm stay as a bomb, son.
Wait, before I go no further, brother, you don't left Tiffany alone. Me there to tell her say how Tiffany out here lead, bro. Right now you shouldn't stop being friend with her, bro. Cause I like you getting all tight.
No, man, man, Tiffany good, brother. I like her, isn't it?
Alright, what you say now?
Me I say, in boss, fire. I'm say as a bomb, son. I go down the dog and I tell him say, oh, Batman, one can fire a girl. So till in fist fight, you see me? Stay as a bomb, son, take up one big stone dog and lick him in the head, but never want him dead, but he eventually dead.
What?
He eventually dead.
What do you mean the man dead? I'm not even want nobody to hear me too loud that chat here.
It depends on Papa News now.
The man dead?
It's a good thing, say me don't know if no camera see me. I hope so no camera no see me.
Boy, George, you really take up a stone and lick one man in the head and kill him?
Brother, I'm first attack me, brother.
It no matter. So our self-defense?
Then what else?
Boy, George, you see where you put yourself in, bro? You really go kill the next man for Tiffany. Where you want Tiffany not even there? You not even know what color her sheets. For even say you are going to do nothing like that. Tiffany know?
She don't know say I'm a date.
So police come to you?
Then I go to Tiffany, brother. And carry go station and I question her.
So what do you think about Tiffany?
Yeah, because I'm fire, which that is stupid. I'm more stupidest thing me ever hear.
But bro, really and truly, then go look for anybody who we enemy with. So if Tiffany get fired from him and then he turn up dead in a same period of time, they have to look on she as one little suspect. So yeah, you so I don't like the police I do one bad job. So what they put the case by and say she do it or
they just bring
suspect her?
Yeah, just question her and so. But me tell her say no for panic.
You're right, she don't feel panic and you should have panic. Cause if they find out say you, bro, you're gonna go to jail.
Yo, just don't tell nobody in the dog.
Who me fi tell? So what you gonna do?
Just front of me I cut you know. I'll go for me auntie them if nothing.
can't believe you really put yourself in the problem here. For Tiffany. You know, say I love her, you know, bro. But love can't buy happiness, you know. Love can't full belly, you know. You have to know what you do. Yo, just see if you can stay off our road. You understand?
Alright. Everything good.
You're good though.
Yeah, man, I'm good, man. I'm still growing up, man. You see me? But just don't let mind, I'll tell nobody nothing.
Don't tell nobody. But then Tiffany don't know, right?
No.
Afternoon.
Afternoon, Stephanie. Thanks for coming in.
Sure.
How the day so far?
Officer, honestly, I just want to get over this. I'm done because it is taking a toll on me, I swear.
I can imagine. Well, we have an update. We received some CCTV footage, and I think I should show it to you.
Okay.
Take a look. So, that gentleman right there.
Officer, this is Boy George.
Boy George.
Boy George, this is one of my friends.
That's one of your friends?
Yeah.
Okay then. You're familiar with this person?
Yes, that's what I just said to you. This is Boy George. This is one of my good friend.
See, no, this is making things a little bit more difficult for us because
None of this don't make no sense.
we have him as a prime suspect right now because, as you can see, he was in the vicinity. So, he's a prime suspect at this point. I know that you said that he's one of your friends. I don't know.
What would Boy George would I not do myself?
What would we do there?
No. Honestly, I can't tell her. I cannot tell her. I don't know that is one of my good friends.
And you think him and your boss had any kind of altercation before or any kind of discrepancy?
They never met
They
before.
never met before?
And Boy George, he would even hurt a fire officer. Come on.
So, you know how we can locate Boy George?
Yes, I know exactly where you live. But
Uh,
honestly, like, I don't see why you would have questioned him because I said they never met before.
No. That's not your decision to make. The police needs to do the police work, right? You have to understand that this is an ongoing investigation. So I need to locate Boy George at this present.
Okay, officer.
Right?
Okay, I understand. Like I said, I know where he lives.
Okay, so where exactly he lives? Close to you?
Little down the road from.
Little down the road is not helping you. 2 houses down the road, 3 houses on the right. Give me more information.
This is away from me.
From him?
From him.
Okay, perfect. So we're gonna bring him into the station and question him.
Whatcha?
Boy George, me name speak if it.
Where you come from?
More ask you something. Something serious. We are doing so much of my sister picture them.
Hear me, I say. Give me this man. Where you do run this, sir?
Ma ask a simple question. Why you do with so much of my sister picture them? Boy George, this is an obsession. Ma ask if I like my sister already, and you say no.
I want to. You're
Wait, you
jealous?
want him to me?
You're jealous? Eh?
No.
Listen to me. You see your sister? I love your sister. Me will do anything for your sister, kill anybody for your sister. You hear me, I tell you?
So wait a sec, kill anybody for my sister? So, you mean to tell me, say, Boy George, are you killing her boss?
You not tell me, say, the boss have trouble at work. What we need to do?
No,
Eh?
you literally tell us to just deal with something. Me never mean if you kill him.
So what you expect? Eh?
What me expect?
Look, Tiffany, love you here. Why you say you? Let me tell you this.
Boy Judge, listen to me.
No, boy
listen
Judge.
to me. Listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me.
And
You
you
must want to be.
yeah, but look, yeah, only somebody who knows me kill the boss. And you can't left no witness. And you are stand in you are stand oh, you are stand in front me and Tiffany.
Me not say nothing.
You are standing shut up. You are standing in front what?
You.
And Tiffany.
You.
Right? You ever tell nobody?
No.
You can't trust her?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
Oi, sir, oi.
Boy Judge.
Put on the knife.
Put on which time?
Put on the knife.
Put on which time? One more foot.
No, me have to do this now, you.
One more footstep and she dead.
Put on the knife.
Boy Judge, put on the knife. Please, may I beg you, Boy Judge, put on the knife. I remember my sister and a Boy Judge.
Funny, me love you, no girl.
Me know.
Tiffany, you know much people have to mash up for you.
Me know. Me know,
No,
but
put on the knife.
Hey, police boy, don't come over here saying if I
Put on the knife.
one more step and
no.
me will do it.
You don't need to forget to just calm down.
Tiffany, me do it, Tiffany.
No, you don't need to just calm down. No, calm
I
down.
love you,
I
though.
love you too, man. Listen.
Love you.
Boy. Come here, neighbor. Come here. Oh, long man, I look for your boy. Eh?
Tiffany, me love you, girl.
Moving boy, let me say. Man, the blood up, you know. Hey.
Yo, we don't chat to you, man, because you and Tiffany will not eat that. And that time I can make a mouth. Paradise Nation original, ALTON Garden original, Richard Brown Films. You understand? Big up on yourself, people. Please remember, as a company channel, subscribe. Please share up, comment. You understand? Ensure say, you know, I watch the video right out to the end. You understand? Don't miss nothing. You know, I want to miss nothing, you know. You understand? Just make sure say, you know, subscribe, like up the video them. You understand? Tell a friend to tell a friend. You understand? Go down at the find your ancestors, man. Tell them. Say, yo, we are do the right thing. We are do create movies in Jamaica. We are tell some stories. You understand? Where everybody can relate to. You understand? Some people know what go on. Some people
What is wrong with you?
teach the diaspora. You understand? And anybody out there who wish to, you understand, support the thing, feel free. You understand? If you want to buy us a beer, we can drink some beer with this pan with pan. So you understand? We are people, we can have a beer and we can have a laugh and we can belch. You understand? Big up. I put the comment down here, so I put the name, but big up yourself, my boss. You understand? Art of love. One love, big up on yourself, big up to everybody who have been a subscribe for a long time there and watch a movie them for a longer time. You understand? Big up on yourself.
Hey guys, this is your girl Lexi.
So when since I start going to ALTON?
Hey guys, what's up y'all? My name is Anika, aka Princess. You can follow me on IG exclusive_Barbie and on TikTok exclusive_Barbie123.
Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Zayna Gray. The writing will be up here, ZAYNOGRHY. That's my music channel. And on TikTok, it is Actress Lexi. So Actress
So yo, act. Big up yourself, you know. Nobody make you put you in no problem.
Memorable scene.
Me can't me do those to my. I should know what to say.
No, that we tell him to say. We never tell him to say that. We never tell him to say that. I never let me say.
We can't shoot me. We can't eat me shit.
No.
Also big up ALTON Garden.
When we ride Gar River on the bicycle.
That was one.
Cause my foot did hurt me on the bicycle one chain and you just look me at it.
Hi everyone, I'm Shanika and I'm from Kingston off Waltham Park Road. Big up my family them.
Waltham.
Big up the whole of Waltham. Round so come round so and back round so.
See they say it and say it none of that. Them say that they community man then backside. Ready?
For the first time being in a movie, especially a Jamaican movie, it felt great because I always wanted to be an actress, even when I was a younger girl. It felt great because I always wanted to start my career being an actress. And you all know that somebody has to start from scratch. So it has been good so far. And I love playing the roles of
advice to young actors. Alright, just make sure so when you're in front of the camera, you put in your best. Don't overthink it. You understand? Just remember if you left. Remember if you left a mark and pretend like the camera is not there. Don't pay the camera no mind. When you're filming, don't pay the camera any mind. Just
Feel good. Feel like I'm in my element as always. You know, just need to warm up a little bit more.
Yeah.
But yeah, feel like I'm in my element.
Well, first off, thanks to Richard Brown for believing in me, even though it was 2 scenes. Yes, I really appreciate it. And I'm looking forward to many more mutually beneficial, business with this film group. Yeah.
the most difficult scene to film.
You know me, but I love the rest of it.
Tiffany? No, man, please put space, man, put that. Please put your voice, look, voice, in face tight, Tiffany.
Okay, so the one advice I would give to Anika and other upcoming actresses and actors is to just imagine yourself being in the situation. So whatever role you got, whether a bad man role or a little wimp, just pretend like you're going through that same very situation right now in your life and just act out on it. Don't just try to perfect it, but just pretend like you go through this. So it will flow more easy instead of it looking as if you're trying to act.
All of them have little improvisation in all of them. You understand? All of them have little improvisation in it. So
something professional, maybe in a work like scene.
I can't say, to be honest, I can't say, but I enjoyed every one of the scenes so far that I've done, but I can't say I have a favorite.
So you feel like me dance? You feel like me dance?
The most challenging part of the scene was not getting out of character, keeping my composure. Because as you could have tell, I enjoy being the boisterous one or playing boisterous roles. So yes, my biggest challenge was containing myself.
All right, the message, make sure say as a man, is it me? You don't do them sitting what boy George do in a movie, in a real life. You understand? Don't bring out them sitting in a real life. You understand? Don't follow boy George.
For me, My role was to stir fire, dig up honestness. Add fuel to the flames. You see me I say? Yeah. Mixed up. Well if mixed up. And just love. Push war. Yeah. One mind now corrupt and just no one to other people try.
I love how we can ride a bicycle. We can carry a girl on a bicycle and show them say, yo, you see me? You can actually carry a woman on a bicycle because the same way. It no matter if you ride, you drive, walk, anything. Once the woman did the video, it's alright.
Maybe I mentioned myself.
I have a few, but definitely a nun. Yeah, or a madam for
A nun?
a madam.
A madam?
A madam. You know,
So what's a madam?
the female version of a pimp. A madam. You know, they report to me, they give me the money, I give them their share. And also a don being a bad guy. Yeah.
I look forward to doing more educational roles where you guys can learn from the roles that I play. And if you all are in similar situations, you all can take a page or, you know, some things from what I am doing at the time.
My character, she just too fool and me. Well, the only chance I have was pretending to be a fool and pretending to be someone who is easily walked over. But yeah, that was the only challenge.
My first scene, I'm because after was in my workplace and check him said make up money dog.
Alright, so one, no violence against women, and so no violence overall. And the scene that we did when we was like, when we go for girl with the knife, I was so deadened with laugh inside because that's not me. You understand? And I have to hold it together and hold the knife, hold her in my hand, and hope that she not do nothing stupid. She make the knife cut her. But yeah. That was funny.
As I said before, I love being the mean girl. I love, although in a real life, you know, I be the mean girl, but in the movie, it made me look more realistic. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so I love playing the role of a mean girl. Also, I love also, like when we act a horror movie and something there, I love be the one where them killing there. I love be the one where we like kill it first.
You like dying in
Yes,
movies?
I say. Well, for the blood flow and all them something there, even if I know me, I want to kill you.
Okay, so you basically want to be in a scene where
Yes.
you see
Like bloodshed.
yes,
You
you
like
want to see how
Yes.
your blood and everything would work.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. You see, same reason why I said what I said last night, man.
No.
Too gruesome, eh?